As I look to the future of electric rates, I only see them going higher, and we wanted to make sure that we could control long-term operating costs with minimal amount of labor and time to manage our one operating expense that we thought we could do quite well by using solar power. We started in 2018 with our first project. We put in 320 panels near one of our hog sites. Ameren does not provide their own electricity. They buy it off the grid. And there was times where there was power spikes. I was very much concerned about during the heavy summer months where suddenly your rates would jump up dramatically. We're not talking just, a few percent. We're talking probably, 20, 30% at one time. So we worked with Paul McKnight and EFS on the first project. They are competitive on price of installation. They have a good labor force. They know their business. And then we got into the next project. Was a 400 panel site, our second hog site. Since that time, we added 5 more smaller projects to the farm operation too. The first sites have definitely been paid off already. We didn't have any problems with hooking into the public utility system. And I heard that from a competitor, so to speak, the neighbor who went with a competitor, and I was just very thankful that we didn't have that kind of experience. That cost them about 6 months of time. After the project was completed, they couldn't get hooked on to the utility. Paul McKnight is a good man. I'd say he has integrity and has honor. We've done business with EFS. We have probably over 1,200 panels, all said and done. I'm very satisfied with the quality of the workmanship and the relationship that they have with all their contractors. Looking at the electric that we saved over the years, solar renewable energy credits, that's through the state of Illinois. The other tax benefits that we got from it, depreciation, the 30% solar tax credit, yes, it definitely pays.